Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to sign up to Lake Trust online banking on PC. Lake Trust is a community-based credit union providing variety of services like insurance and investment. To sign up to Lake Trust online banking, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar and type in www.laketrust.org. With this, press on enter and then you will be taken to official website of Lake Trust. Now here you need to click on sign in option on the top right. Then here you can see you can enroll in personal banking or you can enroll in business online banking as well. Choose any of the type. I am going on with personal. Now here you can see the option of first time user. Click on enroll here. With this you'll be taken to enrollment page. Now to enroll in online banking, you need to enter all the information. It takes a few minutes to sign up, so first enter your account or member number on the given box. After that, enter your date of birth on the given box. Then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number on the given box. After this, once viewed through online banking agreement and disclosure and then privacy policy, with that click on the option of continue. By clicking on continue, you agree to those agreements and policy. With online banking, you'll be able to see budgets and funds on your account. After this, you need to go through the process of verification of your account. For this, you need to verify your phone number or mail address. You'll receive a OTP on your mail address or your phone number. Enter the OTP and then your account will be verified. With this, you'll be able to create your online banking account. After this, you'll get confirmation message. Then you can go to your login page and enter your username and password, and then you'll be able to log in. This is how we can sign up to Lake Trust online banking on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.